Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS in hyper blue metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the trunk lid raised here so you can see the area. So nice sized deeper area here for the trunk. A little narrow on the opening, but that's expected with a sports car. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid and we'll have a look from the back. So it's got the nice deck lid spoiler, and we've got the over the top stripes done in white. We've got nice LED taillights, we've got the SS badging to the side, and we've got reverse parking sensors here built into the bumper. We also have the dual exhaust with the NPP, so that is the performance exhaust. There's an electronic switch to control the tone of the exhaust, so you can make it louder or quieter. Here's your rear wheel. We've got the nice matte black wheels. We've got Brembo calipers, painted rotors, and brand new Indy 500 tires on the rear. Over the passenger side, we've got the nice leather insert on the upper as well as on the armrest down low. We've got the illumination kit, so there is an LED in this silver piece that will light up. We've got power windows, power locks, and our nice Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate, which is also illuminated. There is a little bit of pitting here going on the kick plate, and a little bit of scuffing, which is expected with the age. And then we've got the nice upgraded Camaro mats with the red piping, and we've got our power seat, power fore aft, up down, power recline, and I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So we'll have a look at the back seat as well. It's in great shape, as you can see. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll have a look here in the glove box. So we've got the books here. That's perfect. Owner's manual. And there's the fuel filler tube in the glove box as well. So that's great. Oh, not quite in. There it is. And then on the dash, we've got the leather piece inserted here. Have a look at the rest of the dash. Looks good. We've got the nice jet style vents. And we'll hop out. We'll close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks fabulous. So there's your front wheels. So again, nice matte black wheels, Brembo calipers, painted rotors, and we've got nice Goodyear tires here on the front. So we'll shift around. Here's your motor. So we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy, nice and clean. Looks good. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. Have a look from the front. There's the over-the-top stripes. We've got the nice black vent inserts, the black bow tie with the chrome surround. We've got HUD projector headlights with LED daytime running lights, and we've got the nice blacked-out grille with the SS badging to the side. In terms of issues, there is one small stone chip right here, which we will touch up. And I'll just have a look here to see if there's anything else. A few little small pinhead size ones down here, and one little mark right here that we'll touch up as well, which is expected. I mean, you're going to get these going down the road, but we just want to point them out. So there's your front wheel. So again, nice matte black wheels. We've got the painted rotors, Brembo calipers, and nice Goodyear tires on the front. And here is the back. Again, brand new Indy 500 tires, the Brembo calipers, painted rotors, and matte black wheels. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So we've got our 2-user memory, programmable exit button. We've got our power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Bose stereo, trunk release, illumination, and leather inserts on the door skin. So here's your kick plate on the driver's side. So same thing, a little bit of minor pitting and scuffing, which is expected. And there's our power seat. So a power fore, aft, up, down. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. Right, there we go. So in terms of kilometers, we have 41,858. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. We've got a heated steering wheel here. We've got our cruise control buttons on this side. We've got voice command, telephone answer, and telephone hang up here. We've got our arrow keys, which work the dash, give us info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. You've got volume controls down below. And then on this side, you've got track change. or favorite buttons on that side. We've got our heads-up display controls down here, which, as you can see, it has a heads-up display on the windshield. And then over here we have our radio. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, auxiliary in. You've got telephone controls. You also have projection, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have OnStar powered navigation. We've got apps, notifications, My Chev. If I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. Again, lighting, so you can control the lighting on the doors and the cup holders here. And then down below here is our climate control. So we've got a cooled seat for the driver, heated seat for the driver. We've got our temperature here for the driver, temperature here for the passenger. You can sync the two zones. We've got automatic climate control and then heated and cooled seats for the passenger over there. Four-way switches down below, 8-speed automatic shifter, and then our mode selector. When we hit the mode selector, we get Tour, Sport, Track, or Snow, Ice. So that will change the drive modes. You've got your electronic parking brake, 12-volt socket, and then in here we've got 2 USB ports and an auxiliary line in. And there's your frameless auto-dimming rear view mirror with OnStar. And then this does have a sliding moonroof. So we'll go ahead and close that so you can see the operation. And now we'll just top out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Arc to it, so I'll just hop out and I'll show you from the front with the headlights on. There it is, and we'll just move along this side so you can see the condition. Nice looking car. Love the hyper blue metallic, especially with the matte black wheels. It's a great color combo. The stripes really add a unique accent. Nice rumble to it, good sound. And there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS in Hyper Blue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.